Today we're going to start the series of Audacity audio recordings, and in the first time when you open so this is the interface of the Audacity. So today we will start the basic editing, how to record play. So yes, now I'm recording something and see how it looks like. So all this, I want to set my microphone. So I'm using the one of the computer. So if you have a lot of them, it will be like that. Then you select. And then back here also on the primary device, you select that one for the speakers. And then try to play and see. That's it. It is working. Exactly. So that is how to learn all about these menus in our next video. All this we shall learn about them all. See? So as much as you can be monkeying around with it, we will soon come and start from the next level, how to edit, cut, paste this thing. So if this is the first time you are here, don't forget to subscribe to my new channel because this is just the beginning of the series. So see you in the next video as we continue the next series. Bye.